how to translate web pages in Safari on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So today I'll show you how you can easily translate web pages that are in different language to your own native language. So let's dive right in. Open up your Safari and then visit a web page that is in another language. For example, I have a Korean web page opened up. Now I want to translate it to English. So I'll go to the address bar and look for the rectangle like icon in the top left. Once I tap on it, I can see translate website. Just tap on it. And then you can change it to your preferred language that is set in your settings. I'll change it to English and then tap on enable translation. And you just need to wait for a while for the translation to load. And as you can see that the page has been translated in English. There you go. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.